Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out this 88-key semi-weighted digital piano, a full-size keyboard designed for beginners, intermediate learners, and even professionals who want portability without sacrificing sound quality. Taking a short pause, let's dive in. 1. Design and build. Full 88-key layout gives you the same range as an acoustic piano. Semi-weighted keys offer a realistic feel, lighter than fully weighted, but responsive enough for expressive playing. Slim, portable, and lightweight, making it ideal for gigs, lessons, studios, and home practice. Included carrying case makes travel super easy. 2. Sound quality. High-quality digital sound engine offers clean, rich tones. Multiple instrument voices, piano, electric piano, organ, strings, and more, depending on model. Great for classical, pop, jazz, worship music, or home recording. Headphone support lets you practice silently anytime. 3. Complete accessory set. Sustain pedal included for realistic piano control. Headphones for private practice. Power supply and a music stand so you're ready to play right out of the box. Carrying case lets you take it to school, lessons, or gigs with no hassle. 4. Connectivity and features. Built-in Bluetooth lets you connect to learning apps, backing tracks, or Bluetooth MIDI. USB MIDI compatibility makes it perfect for music production and DAWs like FL Studio, Logic Pro, GarageBand, and Ableton. Line-out/headphone jack allows external speakers or quiet practice. Touch response options to adjust how sensitive the keys feel. 5. Who is this piano for? Beginners learning with apps. College/music students. Home learners. Church/worship musicians. Traveling performers. Studio producers needing a MIDI-capable keyboard. Short pause. If I were reviewing this personally, I'd highlight the value. Getting Bluetooth plus USB MIDI plus sustain pedal plus headphones plus case at this price is rare. 6. Final verdict. This 88-key semi-weighted digital piano is one of the best starter to advanced options for players who want portability, realism, and full connectivity. Perfect blend of price, features, and high-quality touch feel.